Hello and welcome guys in your math class. Today in this week we are going to continue with unit 2. We are in lesson 2.3 fractions of shapes. So first of all we will write day and date on the top. So today the date is 10 Oct 2022 and the day is Monday. So whenever we are starting a lesson, we should write day and date. So when you are going back to your home, you can open and you can revise from your book. So here, how we are going to learn, we have lesson fractions of shapes. So in this lesson, we are going to learn fractions. How can fractions can mean division. We can learn quarter and three quarters, and how can we divide the shapes into equal parts. Fractions are useful in cooking, making any built objects or houses, or even sharing a pizza fairly. Looking at the fraction as beginning equal parts of a whole will help you to understand the difference between equal parts and unequal parts. So basically in fractions, we learn how to share or how we can divide something equally. So we have some of the learners vocabulary words, the words that we have to learn, that is equal parts, fractions, quarter, and three quarters. So in exercise 2.3, there is an example. How can we split a whole into four equal parts? Okay, so here it is. How can we split a whole into four equal parts? I have split these four squares into four parts. Are they quarters? Yes, because each part is same size as the other. So we can divide, uh, we can divide or split any picture with the help of lines. Look here, each part should, but the most important thing is that all the parts should be equal. Okay, so all the parts should be equal. So we are going to cut parts into half, and then we are going to, like this, I'm going to draw, just a minute. Here, make a square. Okay, so what you are going to do when you are dividing, it's easy. You can make it in equal parts with the help of two lines, or you can divide it here with the help of more than two lines. So I'm going to divide it first of all half, and the second line will be its to make it quarter, four parts equal, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's move on to the first question of our exercise. Here, question number 1. So here are four squares. You can see four squares, 1 2 3 4. We can use a ruler to draw a straight line. Half and two squares that are divided into two parts but not halves. Two parts that are half and that's two are that are not half. So let's cut this square into half with the help of ruler. Just a minute. Wait. So two are half equally and two are not going to be half. So this is half fairly. The two sides are equal, the same. The left and the right, even the other one that is into the half to the same sides. But these are the other two are not fair. You can see they are not equal. Even if you want to draw a straight line, you can say here it is not equally. So we can say the first two lines two are equal and the other are not equal. You can say 1 by 2. Sorry for the writing. It is 1 by 2. So, but these are not half. So you can cut them in different ways. So, two shapes that can be equal, but two shapes that cannot be equal, like this. Okay. So here, this is equal, and this is equal. Okay, moving on to the next question. Here are four boys share a pizza equally. How much pizza does each boy have? Draw what one boy has. So first, what we are going to do, cut the pizza into four equal parts. Uh, so here and here. So here. So each boy is going to get equal part. So you can say that one boy can get equal. So we can say how half. So we can say here we have, you can draw with a pencil. So fraction means to cut shapes into equally. So I'm drawing, you can draw with me. Here. It is for equal, okay? So all pieces should be equal. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Four girls share a pie equally. Four girls share the pie equally. How much pie does each girl have? Draw what two girls have. So here are again 4 girls, and we are going to divide a pie. First it was pizza and now it is a pie. So what we are going to do, first make it half exactly, okay, and then you can cut it into 4 here. So how much pie does each girl have? So 1/4, the girl will have 1/4 of pie, 1.5 you can say. Draw what 2 girls have. So we can draw now what girls can have in just a minute. So we can actually cut half, semicircle, half of the circle. Just a minute. This is a circle, okay? So what each girl is going to get? Here. So half of the pie is each girl going to get. So we can write each girl, just a minute, each girl gets quarter and 2 girls get half. Okay, so half of semicircle. I told you how to divide like this. We are going to cut it in half, and half, 2 girls are going to eat half and 2 girls are going to eat half. Okay, moving on to the next question, that is question number 4, that is on the next page. Just a minute, let me adjust the book. So we have question number 4. 4 children share a cookie. 4 children share a large cookie equally. One child eats their piece now. How many quarters are left? So look here, in everyone had 4 cookies. Everyone had 4 children share a large cookie. Okay, so this was the large cookie, and everyone shared equally. So one child eat their piece now. How many quarters are left? So 3 quarters are left. 3 quarters are left. This is question number 4. It was easy. We have to just divide. Everyone get the equal share, and so even one boy eat his quarter. How many quarters are left? 3 quarters are left. 4 boys share this bar of chocolate equally. How many squares does each boy have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So let's make it first half chocolate. Here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for one boy, 7 for other boy, 7 for the third boy, and 7 for the last, fourth boy. So we can say How many square does each boy have? We can say 7 squares each boy will have. 7 squares each boy will have from the chocolate. Okay. So question number 6, draw a line to show quarters of these shapes. So let's draw the line to show the quarters. It's easy. We have studied before also. We have done in the previous question. First you have to cut the shape into half, and then into quarters, like this. So I think it's not equal, but when you are using a pencil and a ruler, then it is equal. So your shape should be equally divided. Here you can divide each part equally. So here we are going to divide it in equal. Into equal quarters. Okay. Yes, when I'm doing on the computer, maybe it's not equal, but yes, when we are doing in the class, it should be equally divided. Color 1/4 of each. So what we have to do, we have to just color. You can say here. I'm trying to color one portion of each. And this we are going to color it. How much of the shape is not colored? So 3/4 are not colored in each shape. Okay, so that was the question. It was interesting. We have drawing and we have coloring also, and we can understand. So such questions are easy to understand. Draw a line to show quarters of each shape. So I'm going to draw one of it. We are going to here. Quarter. Okay, color 3/4 of each shape. So now what we are going to do, color 3/4, not one. So I'm going to use the same technique. Here, color it. You can use color pencils. Here, how many quarters are not colored? So 1/4. You can say 1/4 of each quarter is not colored. So that is all from unit 2.3, lesson 2.3. In the next class, we are going to solve check your progress, and then we are going to start our new unit, that is unit 3. So take care and thank you for your focus and cooperation. Have a nice day.